Good morning. So today I'm gonna work on my BMW F30. I'm gonna change the rear bumper on it and I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna do it. So stay tuned. I got some ramps so I can set the car on the ramps over here, and then I have my toolbox right is in here. Alright. First thing first, I got the car on the ramps, my tools ready, put some drop cut right here. Oh, we're gonna need a 8mm socket and then a 10mm socket. We have 3 screws with 10mm and 6 of 8mm. Now I'm gonna show you guys where the screws are and how to unlock them. Here we go. I'm gonna get started with the 6 screws of 8mm. I'm on the second one, and here we go, the third screw. So here we have those 3 8mm one on both sides, and now I'm gonna start working on those ones, the 10mm. If you're wondering why there is nothing, I removed my muffler to a straight pipe. So on the side of the wheel there were 2 more 8mm sockets, 2 screws, and then a star one where it's connected with the, come on, autofocus, where it's connected with the upper part from the fender. So I unscrewed those ones. What I see, I actually have to take down this plastic that holds the light. So right where the tail light is, I'm gonna have to take down this socket too, this screw. That's a 10mm socket as well. I got to remove the old bumper. It's right there. Now I'm gonna put up the new bumper. So that's how it looks without no bumper at all. So first of all, I'm gonna have to replace this plastic with this one. If you can tell, that goes further in and that's sticking out a little more. So I just finished it up. Take a look at it. Just beautiful. The only thing that I'm confused about is those pieces. Here we go. I don't know where those ones go, but I see, if you guys know where they are belong, you guys can let me know down in the comment. Let me know exactly where it goes. hope you guys enjoyed this installation. If you do, don't forget to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. I'm gonna do the front bumper pretty soon as well, so that's gonna be the next stuff that I'm gonna do on the car. So see you guys on the next one.